Did you know that over 1 million people are making money on TikTok right now? That's right. While you're scrolling through endless videos, there are countless creators cashing in on their content. If you've ever wondered how to turn your scrolling into cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of TikTok and how to master it for instant cash flow. Whether you're a total newbie or someone who's dabbled in TikTok but hasn't seen results, this guide is for you. Let's face it, the idea of making money online can seem like a distant dream for many. You might have heard stories of people raking in thousands from a single video, and then there's the nagging thought, is that even possible for me? The truth is, there are a ton of misconceptions out there. Many believe that you need to be a social media whiz or have a massive following to earn a dime. Others think it's all about luck, that viral moment that will miraculously change everything. But here's the kicker. Success on TikTok doesn't just happen overnight. It requires strategy, creativity, and a genuine understanding of the platform. Now, let's talk about the challenges. Many creators face hurdles when trying to monetize their content. You might find yourself creating videos that you believe are fantastic, only to see them flop. Or perhaps you've tried to engage with your audience but felt like you were shouting into the void. It's frustrating, I know. But the good news is that there are proven strategies to turn those challenges into opportunities. First up, let's explore affiliate marketing. This is one of the most straightforward ways to start earning money on TikTok. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. The key here is to choose products that resonate with your audience. If you're into fitness, for example, promote workout gear or health supplements. Create engaging content around these products like tutorials or reviews, and include your affiliate link in your bio. This way, every time someone clicks and makes a purchase, you earn money without having to create or hold inventory. Next, let's discuss sponsored posts. As your following grows, brands will start to notice you. They might reach out with offers to promote their products. This is where you can negotiate deals that work for you. But here's the secret. Don't just accept any offer that comes your way. Choose brands that align with your values and interests. Authenticity is key on TikTok, and your audience will appreciate your honesty. When you genuinely love a product, it shines through in your content, and that's what will drive engagement and sales. Now, if you're feeling particularly entrepreneurial, consider selling your own digital products. This could be anything from ebooks to online courses. Think about what knowledge or skills you possess that others might find valuable. If you're a great cook, maybe write a recipe ebook. If you're a makeup guru, create a course on makeup application. TikTok is an excellent platform for promoting these products because you can showcase snippets of your content, giving viewers a taste of what they can expect. Let's get into some practical tips for creating engaging TikTok content. First, optimize your profile. Your bio should clearly communicate who you are and what you offer. Use a recognizable profile picture and include a link to your website or affiliate products. Next, leverage trending hashtags. Research what's popular in your niche and incorporate those hashtags into your posts. This increases your chances of being discovered by new viewers. When it comes to video creation, remember that TikTok is all about creativity and authenticity. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Create captivating videos that tell a story or evoke emotions. Use humor, relatable scenarios, or even challenges to engage your audience. The more genuine and relatable you are, the more likely viewers will connect with you and want to support your endeavors. Now, let's talk about a powerful success story that illustrates the potential of TikTok. Meet Sarah, a former barista who turned her love for baking into a thriving online business. She started posting simple baking tutorials on TikTok, showcasing her delicious creations. At first, her videos received modest views, but she didn't give up. She engaged with her audience, responded to comments, and used trending sounds to boost her visibility. Within a few months, her follower count skyrocketed, and brands began reaching out for collaborations. She leveraged her growing platform to launch her own line of baking kits, which sold out within days. Sarah's journey is a testament to the power of consistency and creativity. She didn't just create content, she built a community that supported her passion. As we wrap up, let's recap the essential strategies for making money on TikTok. Start with affiliate marketing. Find brands that resonate with you for sponsored posts and consider selling your own digital products. Optimize your profile, use trending hashtags, and create engaging, authentic content that connects with your audience. The potential for financial freedom is within your grasp, and TikTok could be the platform to help you achieve it. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and start your journey toward turning your TikTok presence into a profitable venture. I want to hear about your experiences. Have you tried any of these strategies? What's worked for you? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Your financial freedom could be just a TikTok away.